After Sushma Swaraj urged the president to reject the ordinance on convicted politicians, Manish Tiwari took a dig at the leader of opposition. The I&B minister tweeted saying that the constitutionality or otherwise of legal enactments are tested in constitutional courts and unsolicited advice is neither appreciated nor taken seriously. Obviously referring to BJP's criticism of the fact that the government plans to push for this ordinance. And of course, now Manish Tiwari fiercely defending that ordinance and saying that it should be decided in constitutional courts and not by the opposition party. Let's go across to our correspondent Pooja for more. Pooja, Manish Tiwari fiercely defending the ordinance. What do you read between the lines?
Well, certainly when the leader of opposition, Sushma Swaraj, put her statement that the president is not obliged to sign this ordinance, the Congress yesterday night was in fact being very careful. But today it appears our Information and Broadcasting Minister has hit out and has taken the statement head-on, stating that if at all the decision is taken by the president about the ordinance, then it will not be in the BJP's domain. It is a decision taken by the president, and therefore the BJP's advice on this matter is unsolicited. And also it is extremely surprising. So the Congress is backing down. It is completely standing by the government's decision with regard to the ordinance. Now, even though it appears that it is about netas bailing out netas, but certainly at present the Congress and the government standing by its decision with the ordinance. But of course, it remains to be seen what decision is taken by the president. But at present, even though the opposition is attacking the government for clearing the ordinance, the government continues to stand by.